and that's how you do your nuke box. This is the bee nucleus box. This is how it comes. So what I'll do, I'll get this open and show you how to put it together. With the nuke box unpacked, I've laid out in this arrangement. This is how it goes together. There's the one side. There's the other side that comes up. The one with the entrance hole. The other entrance, like that. The other side goes on like that. Get attached to the ends here, and then the lid goes on top. It doesn't come with glue and it doesn't come with text to attach this together, because some people are concerned about certain chemicals in glues which can affect bees. It doesn't take many techs, and most people have got some techs around home or in their shed. So what I'll do, I'll get this put together and I'll show you the final product. So I've teched all the sides on, and now I'll put the base on. This is the box made up so far. I've tacked the bottom on, tacked the sides, you see the entrance. So what I need to do, so all we're left now with is these two pieces of wood and the lid. These two pieces go on the end, like that. So I'll just get these tacked on. So there we go. That's your box complete. This is the lid that goes on top, and it just slots like that. These are the frames a nuke box takes. These are the Deep National 4 frame this is. These just, those just fit in there like that, so you can get your frames in there for your bees. Lid on top. There's the entrance hole. There's the back. And that's how you do your nuke box. If you want one of these nuke box, what I'll do in the description below, I'll put a place where, a little link where you can get these from. Thanks very much.